The idea that no matter how much hatred someone spreads, the biggest and most powerful way to disrupt them is not to copy them, not to argue with them, not to fight with them, but right in front of their hatred, to place the idea of love and affection. So that, I think, is a framework, a potential framework for our politics. We can disagree on policies. In fact, I'm sure that every single one of us will disagree on some policy matter or the other. But the lens we use, we can all agree on. Their lens is hatred. Their lens is fear. Their lens is anger. Fear leads to anger. Ossified anger is hatred. And our lens should be that which cuts their lens. Our lens should be love. Our lens should be affection. And our lens should be listening to the wishes and the will of the people we are supposed to represent.